back to Deepu's Diaries. I am Deepti Papoju. So today I didn't vlog from many days. So it's been a month since I vlogged something. So I thought I'll vlog something today. And actually I have a little busy day today, but I thought of taking you through my day. And the first thing that I have to do is get ready, go to Gurudwara because there is some function or some kind of festival that is going on in Gurudwara today. So I'm going there with Rajveer and my roommate Sakshi. And then I have to go for a meeting. I have to attend a meeting. That's a meeting related to my work. Actually, I'm interning now. I'm interning in a law firm. So this is my first event that I'm attending from my office. So I'm a little excited to learn something new today. Let's see what I'll learn. But going out on Sunday, going for a business thing or something for work, something work related on Sunday is really tough. I really do not want to go, but just for the fact that I can learn something, I'm going there. I know it feels awkward for me to vlog after a very long time, and for the first time I'm witnessing some sunlight in my room, which is a good thing. But sunlight at this time is not really good because it's already 12 in the afternoon. So yeah, let's get ready and then go to Gurudwara, then come home and then see how my day goes. Yeah, till then see, morning frame actually. I mean, I'm getting a lot of light coming on my face, eyes. Till then, bye bye. Hi Sakshi, you are coming on my vlog for the first time.
अच्छा वाह, देखो इतना रोज साथ में रहती हूँ पर आज आ रही हूँ पहली बार।
हाँ, क्योंकि आप मेरे साथ थोड़ी रहते हो, रूम में रहते हो बट घूमते ही रहते हो. दिस इज व्हाट आई गॉट रेडी. व्हाई डू आई लुक लाइक सम हाउ होमलेस पर्सन. ये देख कितना रेडी होके आ रही है. मैं जा रही हूँ मेरी गाइस. फैक्ट है, मेरे को रेडी होना बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद.
मुझे भी नहीं पसंद. मैं जब सलवार पहनती हूँ तब मैं रेडी होती हूँ.
पूछा किसी ने?
बता रही हूँ मैं.
बहुत धूप है. It's 1 in the afternoon and we are now going to Gurudwara. Rajveer has called me 3 times. Let's go. So we are Gurudwara ready. I look a little funny. I did not find dupatta. मेरे को तो है. I mean, I came with Rajveer to Gurudwara. This Gurudwara is actually nice. Every Sunday आ सकते हैं हम लोग. Okay? Yes. For Mera.
Hi. It is थोड़ा सा awkward for me to record over here.
Yeah.
इधर चप्पल उतार.
Yes. Okay. I am recording here for the first time.
ਇਸ ਸਰੀਰ ਰੂਪੀ ਭਾਂਡੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਨ ਰੂਪੀ ਭਾਂਡੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜੇ ਹਉਮੈ ਦਾ ਪ੍ਰਵੇਸ਼ ਹੋ ਜਾਏ ਤਾਂ ਨਾਮ ਨਹੀਂ ਜੇ ਟਿਕਦਾ. ਬਾਰ-ਬਾਰ ਸਤਿਗੁਰੂ ਨੇ ਸਮਝਾਇਆ. ਪਾਠ ਦੇ ਅਰਥ ਆ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਵਿਦਵਾਨ ਪੁਰਸ਼ ਬੈਠੇ ਨੇ. ਸੰਥਿਆ ਲਿਆ ਕਰੋ. ਸੰਥਿਆ ਬਾਣੀ ਪੜਨ ਦੀਆਂ 6 ਅਵਸਥਾਵਾਂ ਕਦੇ ਫੇਰ ਲਾਵਾਂ.
Now we are having our favorite part.
I look very bad. Please don't post this.
I will post this.
ਕਿਸ ਮਿੱਟੀ ਦਾ ਬਣਿਆ
What is this expression? It's good, guys.
ਫੇਰ ਫਤਿਹ ਬੁਲਾ ਦੇਣੀ ਹੈ.
So I came from Gurudwara almost like around 4 I guess. I was really tired. I had best food. Like langar is my favorite thing. And उसमें भी जो खीर मिलता है ना, it is very delicious. I love it. And if you guys ever had langar, just let me know which is your favorite dish. My favorites are dilkush and the kheer, because those two are like the best thing that one can have in langar. And yeah, after coming there I took a nap for 20 minutes or something. Then I'm ready now. I have to go to Andheri now and attend the meeting. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm very sleepy right now, but yeah, I have to. Bye guys, I'll meet you there. Hello guys, I just came home. It is 9 and I'm pretty tired now, but I thought of ending this vlog because previously I've vlogged so many things but I did not end them, so I did not post them. So today I thought I have to end this vlog properly. And yeah, I have just attended the meeting and came home. It was nice, like for someone going for the first time, it was nice. So the meeting was basically between society members, developer, and PMC. They were finalizing the plan for their society's redevelopment. So they were talking about the blocks. They were discussing every issue. Like when we see a redevelopment thing from outside, like just as a normal person going on a road, when you see an apartment and goes to redevelopment, you'll be like, okay, redevelopment here. But for the people who are living there, they have to take care of so many things. They have to think about every minute detail because it is going to be their home. So it was nice. They were discussing about so many things like height of the building, height of like roof kitne hoga, parking area kitna hoga, and most of the meetings that I've seen, I've heard of, they start with the agenda and they end up fighting with each other. So this time, actually this is like fourth or fifth meeting between the developer and the society. So it was not that bad. It was good. Like they are on final stage. Maximum in December they'll be starting the work. So it was nice. They have discussed. They have stayed to the agenda. They have discussed those things only. The other things they did not discuss much. But there were instances where I was about to laugh because they were discussing some topics, and I was like, "What do you people all like? Do you people bring up these things also in such meetings?" मेरे को तो ऐसा लगा कि घर पे लाइक गली पे जो झगड़ा होता है ना वो सब याद आया लाइक बिटवीन आंटीज एंड ऑल. इट वॉज नाइस. इट वॉज अ गुड एक्सपीरियंस. एंड या सो बेसिकली दिस टाइम आई एम इंटर्निंग non-lit side. Our law firm deals with RERA. So I have been working on projects that are starting like from the initial stage. So this is something which was done like earlier 2-3 meetings were done and now the development work starts. So it was nice. I have learned about redevelopment, क्यों होता है redevelopment में, कैसा फ़ायदा होता है डेवलपर्स को, वो सब सीख रही हूँ धीरे धीरे से. It is nice actually. So all these topics may seem boring for other people, but if you guys are interested in non-lit, if you guys are interested in interning in RERA area, this might be helpful for you. So I'm telling my knowledge because from zero, today I know a little bit, not much, but at least 1 or 2% about RERA because it's just been 20 days that I'm interning here. So yeah, let me know what are your thoughts, and if you guys know any law firm where I can intern, corporate side or non-lit side, please let me know, and please drop it in the comment section so that I'll send them my resume and I'll try to intern there also. It would be helpful for me and for other people who are watching this vlog and who can check the comment section also. So I actually have to eat something. No, I forgot to tell you, but they even gave us snacks which were very good. I had pakodi, I had mini samosas which were cute and tasty, and I had a cheese sandwich. It was great. So I enjoyed food because for people staying in PG, only you people know how good you feel when you get food outside for free. That was so nice. And that's it for today's vlog, and here I'm ending this vlog. So if you guys like this video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Deepu's Diaries. I will try to vlog a lot. I have been telling this since a very long time, but I'm not doing it. So yeah, I will try to vlog. So guys, this is for today's vlog, and this is Deepti signing off. Bye bye. See you in the next vlog.